Here I have OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable recording system sound, you can enable recording microphone sound, you can also change picture definition, you can change its frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches on the screen, and you can also change video coding format. So to start recording, just tap on this button once and recording will start. After that, like this kind of menu appears. Here you can also switch sound settings. So by tapping the red button, recording starts immediately. So we just like recording our screen. Anything you want, as you can see, we have this front camera. And when you're done recording, you just tap on this tick icon, and then you can find your recording in Photos. In the album called Screenshots. And from here you can send, favorite, edit or delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.